What's up, guys? Quentin Warner here. Today I'm gonna take you guys through a healthy ground turkey taco recipe. Something you can use whether you're trying to put on muscle or if you're trying to lose weight or cut or shed some fat. Either way, you can kind of tailor it up to your needs. So walk with me. I got some 93.7 ground turkey that I'm gonna put in the skillet here. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of olive oil. Let that get in there. Perfect example of not letting your diet get the best of you and kind of switching things up. Doesn't always have to be boring. Season that up. Got some Mrs. Dash table blend, salt free. Some lemon pepper. Black pepper, and also some cayenne pepper. Mix this up here. Action. Go.
Go.
Go. Alright, guys, ground turkey is finishing up over here. I got my tortilla that I'm warming up over here. So I got some carb balance mission whole wheat tortillas. 13 carbs, 10 grams of fiber. That's what's important to me, and it should be important to a lot of you guys. It's important to keep your fiber intake up. Here, got an onion. Actually, I have a whole tomato that I chopped up, making some homemade pico. A whole tomato, one bunch of cilantro that I also cut up in here. And I'm gonna cut up about this. Spoon. Mix this up. Bam. Homemade pico de gallo. Now, take brown turkey. Make sure you get lean ground turkey too. This is 93.7. I would have gotten 97.3 if they had it, but they didn't. Usually when that ground turkey is on sale, they like to put the 80% on sale. Don't buy that. Buying lean meats costs a little bit more, but hey, your health is everything. So if you want to get fit, you want to get into this lifestyle, you gotta pay a little bit. And here, and then we're also gonna grab Got some reduced fat shredded cheese. I'll throw this on here as well. You can also add like shredded lettuce, whatever you want to do. And you can also, sweet little tip, you can use plain Greek yogurt as sort of like a sour cream if you want to add some more protein into these. But I'm trying to stay away from dairy, so I won't be doing that today. And boom, there you have it. Some healthy ground turkey tacos. Didn't take me too long to cook. Switch it up, keep your diet going, and keep it moving. Like this video, share this video, subscribe for more content coming soon. We're out.